Okay, so select your table, right click, view more cell actions, conditional formatting, and now in the rules, in the drop down, select text contains, and then in my case I'm just going to try and find all the cells that contain the word for example. And as you can see, only the cells with 4 got highlighted. For example, if I remove 2 letters, it will still highlight the cells because those cells contain part, so they contain the letters I'm searching, even though it's not just those specific letters. Uh, if you want them to be exact, you can go and select text is exactly, and as you can see, even though 4 contains the letters F and O, it will not get highlighted. So yeah, and you can format the style however you want. Right here, you can make the background yellow or something. So yeah, that's how you do it.